Got that Chinese girl, boy. Fucking violator. I think that's what I'm gonna call you from now on. A fucking violator. Anyways, boy, holla at your boy. Later.
That's right, it's old guns, NASCAR Reflected Safe Racing. Hi, I'm Mr. Carrington, and I'm that nigga. That's right. Oh, yeah, it's been a long time coming, because of all the goddamn observation and looking out and seeing what the is really going on right here in this city. That's right, it's the expansion of bombs, pigeons, and now certain students to obtain the agenda for Atlanta domination. That's right, now in the East Zone, here on Piedmont, they have strategic coordinations and plans to start from Decatur Street, way on up to Piedmont and International Boulevard, and then keep on going, and eventually they expand out into outer space and go to Jupiter's airspace. That's right. Miley Virus told y'all it's a part of the USA. Listen up. That's right. Sometimes when it comes to demeanor with these motherfuckers, you won't even be able to tell if you're contacting a bomb or student or a pigeon with yellow of eyes. That's right. That's right. 5 points. Still, the central nervous system, they migrated from the left. That's Fine City. They procrastinated further to the right. That's Calhoun Park. That's right. Calhoun Park, one of the smallest parks you'll ever see in your goddamn life here in ATL. But that doesn't mean it doesn't pack a hard-ass punch. Just like a goddamn person that's compact with, got a lot of goddamn strength on their ass. That's right. It's filled with goddamn bombs and goddamn drug dealers and all kinds of killers and shit. And also Jamaican ladies that fuss to themselves and also ghostly pigeons with Lil Wayne eyes. That's right. And students team up with this garbage right here to gain access for control over your goddamn city. When they sit there and turn around, look at you, they smile and they turn around back at the ghostly camera, and then you'll see that they have Michael Jackson eyes from Thriller. That's right. But it's a bright side to all this goddamn filth and betrayal that's going on in this goddamn city. Now, we will be more than happy and almost in prayer that you call us at 444-413-3333. And we will be so appreciative, but too goddamn wild and overexcited, and we only end up busting you and their head wide. Wide ass motherfucker over all, yeah, just Mr. Carrington with the T.I. lips, old Georgia Power whiskers, and on goddamn Georgia State neck, all on your goddamn Spider-Man cell phone.